guys, it's me, Sassysamey or Sam here on YouTube. Welcome back to my channel. For those of you guys who are new, welcome, welcome, welcome. For the people who have been here for a while, hi, how are you? I hope you're having an amazing day. If you haven't, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below, and also don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. My background is different because I have been working on putting together my whole filming area, which I think I am 100%, like maybe 90% done. But also, t-shirt of the day, it is No Guts, No Glory by Light. I actually saw her in concert last month, so in February, which was hella fun. So just so you guys know, that's the shirt of the day. But anyways, let's get started with today's videos. Boop. So today we are going to be doing the Ipsy versus Sephora play. Sadly, this will be my last Ipsy versus Sephora play because honestly, I feel like Ipsy wins every time I do it, and I just feel like I want to do a different subscription box. So if you guys know of any that you guys want me to test out, definitely comment down below and let me know. I think I'm gonna start doing BoxyCharm unboxings because I've been really wanting to do that for the past couple of months, so I might do that. Anyways, this is February's I took all the tags off, but this is February's Ipsy bag. It's late because my play box always comes like a couple of days before the end of the month, so I'm just kind of like, well, I can't really use any of the makeup because it's not here yet. So we're gonna unbox the Sephora play box first, and then we're gonna do Ipsy, like always. So if you guys know, it comes in a box like this. I always take my brow cutter or my skizzes. If you have skizzes, go ahead and use that. It always comes with a Sephora Play Pass, so you can go in and you get an extra 50 points for, you know, the Beauty Insider. I'm not gonna look in it because I don't know what's actually in my box, and I want to open it. So this month says Feel the Love. So this is what it actually feels like. There's actual stuff in here. So let's open it. Ooh, okay, I see a couple of things. See, the only thing about the Sephora Play is that it's always all sample sizes. So with Ipsy, you get 1 or 2 full sizes, which I love, but what can you do? It's $10 a month for each bag. So this is the Lancome Dramatic Liquid Pencil Eyeliner, and I have been on the hunt for a good liquid eyeliner because I feel like a lot of this is the pencil. Maybe it just, I thought it was gonna be a liquid eyeliner. But this color is really beautiful. This really pretty blue color. If you guys can see it, it's really pretty. I do wanna, okay, let's see. It's kind of wet, which I don't know if that's good, but it is pretty pigmented. Okay, so the next thing in here is the Peter Thomas Roth Firm X Peeling Gel for exfoliating. So that's going to be really interesting to use. I love exfoliators. You know, I love skincare right now. That's my kick, is skincare stuff. So, put a little bit on my hand, and you can see all of your dead skin coming off. So that's gonna be really fun to do. I've had a couple of different exfoliators like this, so it's not anything new. So now I just have dead skin everywhere. Great. Great! Okay, so the next thing in here is a Makeup Forever Artist Rouge Matte Liquid Lipstick in M500. I think I already have this. I may have already had like 3 of these already. If it's a bright red, then I already have it. Ooh, no, it's a dark plum. Okay, okay, I'm gonna put it on the hand where, you know, I did. Oh yeah, that is like my shade, dude. Okay, so the next thing that's in here is the First Aid Beauty Ginger Turmeric Vitamin C Jelly Mask, safe for sensitive skin. Ooh. Okay, so it just says to leave on for 10 minutes and then wash with water or a dry cloth. Use 3 times a week or as needed. Wow, that's a lot. I wonder if it smells like something. I'm really excited to try this out. Okay. The last 2 things in here I can see. This one is by Sephora. This is their Gel Gloss Ultra Brilliant Ultra Shine Lip Gel. That was a long thing, girl. A long day. This one is in the color Perfect Nude. It's gonna be really pretty. Ooh, look at that outfit applicator. Cute. Ooh, yes, girl, yes. It smells like candy. Ooh. That feels really good on the lips. Combination though, girl. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, I'm gonna put this over here. And then the very last thing is a Tory Burch Lovely Love Relentlessly little sample. And I'm just ooh, that went in my eye. Hold on. 1 second. Ooh, that's really pretty. Ooh, I would get that. I do have to see how it wears throughout the day because there are sometimes how you spray it on, like in the air, to, you know, like when you spray perfumes and you waft it, and then as opposed to like when you actually put it on your skin, it's a totally different scent. So always do that. So we're gonna do the Ipsy unbagging. This month's bag is so cute. I love it. I actually opened the package. Well, actually my package was kind of already open when I got it, and I was like, I wonder if there was supposed to be something else in it, but I don't know because, you know, I have to check afterwards, after this video. So it's really cute. Comes in a little bag, little baggie. And then the first thing that I see in here, which I'm really excited about, it's Butte Basics. This is the Sweet Taffy Foiled Eyeshadow. This is gonna be really pretty blush shade. Ooh, that's pretty. Oh yeah, girl, that's gonna be so pretty for a blush. Look at that. You see that? That is so pretty. The next thing in here is Hey Honey Come Undone Face and Eye Daily Makeup Remover. It's 100% natural ingredients for all skin types. So it looks like this. It's just a really small bottle. But that's exciting. I love using new makeup removers because I do love my makeup removing wipes. It just sometimes I just want to wash my face and not have to like go through my whole skincare routine. Ooh, it's a really thick gel, which I wasn't expecting. Let's see. So the next thing that's in here, there's these 3. Oh my god, I love Luxie brushes, so this is a win for me. This already made my bag even better. But this is a dual-ended brush. This is the Luxie 249. I think I bought 2 sets of Luxie brushes, which I am obsessed with. I love Luxie brushes. Like, girl, these are amazing. I love the pink handles. The bristles are so soft. Most of them are like my favorite brushes that I even use like on the daily, but this one is really awesome because I think this would be a really good blending brush, and this would be a, you know, you to pack all of your eyeshadows on. So it's a really good travel brush. Girl, yes, I'm gonna put that right there so I can use it. And the next thing is the App2 Moisture Retaining Day Lotion. It's for dry to combination skin. Ooh, I'm gonna try that out. That will go in my moisturizing stuff. And the very last thing is a mascara by Pink Pewter Collection. Ooh, so it's a double-ended mascara. This one is the curling mascara, and this one's the extra voluminous extender. Okay. My bad. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and try that out. But of course, I love everything in my Ipsy bag. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's super quick, but I wanted to get this video up. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys do want to follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, or Twitter, I will leave all of my links down below for you to go ahead and follow. Also, you can go ahead and, I think it's gonna be up here or up here. So if you guys do want to go ahead and do that, go ahead and do that. I think that is it. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. I love you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. What am I doing? Girl, it's hot in here. It's out a little bit.